Deep cleaning on Asus FX506LI. Thank you to Sir Chris for trusting PTTIT solution. Unscrewing the cover at the back. Regular deep cleaning of your laptop is essential for maintaining optimal performance, preventing component damage, and prolonging its lifespan. By removing accumulated dust, dirt, and debris from internal components, you reduce the risk of overheating and ensure reliable operation. Removing the dried-out thermal compound. A clean laptop environment promotes better air quality in your workspace, contributing to a healthier and more comfortable working environment. Therefore, prioritizing regular deep cleaning sessions for your laptop is crucial for maximizing its performance and longevity. Brushing the heat-sink fins. Brushing the heat-sink fans, making sure fan blades are clean. Putting the heat-sink back. Asus laptops have garnered widespread recognition and trust within the market due to their consistent delivery of high-quality products, renowned for their durability, innovative designs, and robust performance capabilities. Asus laptops cater to a diverse range of consumer needs and preferences. Putting back the battery. Putting the back cover. Deep cleaning is done. Visit our shop to avail our service. Follow our page for more videos. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned.